Hi, I'm Katie. Today I am going to show you how I cook a spaghetti squash. This is a spaghetti squash. This is a huge spaghetti squash that my brother grew. But usually they're a little bit smaller. You can get them at most grocery stores. They're a winter squash. They're usually yellow to a light yellow color, and they're shaped kind of long and round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this squash, I'm going to take a sharp knife, and I'm going to cut it in rounds like this until they look like this, little rounds. And this is the guts that are in the inside. To get those out, I am going to take my knife, cut around them all the way. You can just push them out, but the knife just goes faster. And then they just pop out. So then it looks kind of like a donut. And from there, I'm going to take my circles onto a flat pan like a cookie sheet. And I'm going to lay them out. Just lay them around. And I'm going to drizzle some oil, olive oil on it. Not the best drizzler, so I use a little brush. And I brush the oil around, and I flip them over and brush the oil around. Then I put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 1.5 hours. And how I know that they're done is they're lightly brown. And I'll show you how cool they are. So from here, you can just, they're gonna be hot when you take them out, so you need to let them cool a little bit or use forks. You just peel the outside layer off. And the way I like to cook them this way is because I have pretty consistent results of getting a very noodly consistency. See how noodly that is? I'll just put it in my little bowl. And you can use it for a replacement for like noodles for spaghetti. Or you can just eat them like this. This is how I like to eat them. But see how cool they are? They're like actual noodles. There's other ways to cook them, but this is the way I've found that I have the consistent, like, real noodle texture. They're just sweet and melt in your mouth. They're just delicious. So that is how I cook my spaghetti squash. Have a good day.